This is Bill for Sparky Channel, and today I'd like to ask a question from a viewer from one of my recent videos. And it is, as far as sticker placement, can they be located somewhere besides the faceplate? We're talking about the little GFCI protected stickers and the no equipment ground stickers. There's even an AFCI protected outlet sticker. So where do they go and when do we use them? Here we are at the NEC code 406.4D2B. A non-grounding type receptacle or receptacles shall be permitted to be replaced with a ground fault circuit interrupter type of receptacle or receptacles. These receptacles or their cover plates shall be marked no equipment ground. See, it says these receptacles or their cover plates. So you get your choice. And you mark them no equipment ground. An equipment grounding conductor shall not be connected from the ground fault circuit interrupter type receptacle to any outlet supplied from the ground fault circuit interrupter receptacle. C. A non-grounding type receptacle or receptacles shall be permitted to be replaced with a grounding type receptacle or receptacles where supplied through a ground fault circuit interrupter. Where grounding type receptacles are supplied through the ground fault circuit interrupter, grounding type receptacles or their cover plates, you get your choice again, shall be marked GFCI protected and no equipment ground, visible after installation. An equipment grounding conductor shall not be connected between the grounding type receptacles. Both Leviton and Eaton sell faceplates that have GFCI protected imprinted right on them. So put the stickers on the receptacles or on the cover plates, or perhaps you could buy a faceplate that already has GFCI protected on it. I hope that answers your question. Thanks.